Let's install a new Slate hearth for the gas fireplace. All right, Jason, I got that fire-rated board for our new hearth.
All right, excellent. Just clear that little bit of debris out of there and
Yep.
we'll slide it in.
All right.
I got a couple of lines there that you can reference.
Okay.
How do you feel about this gas insert fireplace?
So you know I'm a traditional guy, and if we were to do a traditional fireplace,
Oh boy.
a lot of work, right? A lot of money too. I'd have to cut all this out. I'd have to knock those joists out. We'd have to get a carpenter in here to box everything out.
Yep.
Then we'd have to pour this entire area from the back all the way to the front. That's gonna have to be concrete.
Yep.
Then I gotta come in with my fire brick and make a firebox out of that. On top of that, I got a damper to put in, and then I gotta build all the mechanics of the fireplace, and then I gotta flue out.
Well, considerably less work here, but we've still got a little bit of floor to remove, but not quite as much as if we had to go with the traditional.
Right.
Make sure it's parallel to the wall and then take a couple measurements.
All right, I'm on my mark now.
All right, I got 19.5/8 there. All right, pretty good. So I
Great.
guess we can scribe this out, remove the subfloor, and then we can slide our new piece of slate.
All right, let me get this out of your way and start cutting.
Popped it right out. That's good. There we go.
Oh, nice job, Jason. All right, so I know we didn't have to head this off, but we should put in some blocking, right?
Yeah, if we don't put in some blocking, I'm afraid that the slate's gonna cantilever over these joists and it just won't be distributed over here. So we're gonna put blocking in all four corners. That way if anybody steps on it, it's all balanced, all secure. Okay, Mark, I'm gonna put some sealant on here just in case there's any deflection in that piece of slate. I don't want people to step on it and there be any creaks in it. So I'm gonna put this sealant on. It's gonna kind of act as a gasket, and then we'll put that piece of fire-rated board
I
down.
like that. I like that, Jason.
I got this great gun that
Yeah.
I don't have to use my hand for.
All right, Jason.
All
Take
right.
that. Let's tuck it under.
Yeah, we've got our sealant on. That's gonna eliminate any deflection, any
yeah.
noise. All right, so we're just gonna screw it down now.
Okay.
Just regular sheetrock screws.
All right, more adhesive?
Yep, I'm gonna put it right over the blocking and right over the joists.
Okay, great.
Just some dollops. I don't think I need to put it all over the fireboard.
Let's get the slate. All right. Gotta love these suction cups.
Oh, they're a game changer.
Roll in.
All right, little slide in. How you doing?
I'm doing great.
All right, let's lower on down.
All right, I'm on my mark.
Me
So
too.
we're looking good, but let's throw the level on it. All right, let's check this way.
All right.
All right, Jason,
Good.
perfect again.
Great.
All right, but the most important thing is, is this has to plane out with the
That's
floor.
right, that's right. And that's why we chose this company, because they're one of the few companies that can actually mill that slate to within a 1/16 of an inch. Look at that,
Well, I'll
planes
tell you
right
that
through.
they did a heck of a job. Doesn't get any more perfect than that.
Yeah, I think the customer's gonna be happy. It came out great.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.